You getting it?
Yeah. This dude is dragging the back of his car. It's causing sparks to fly up. Good grief. It's completely full of junk. I think there's a motor in there, an engine or something. Yeah. Good grief. His truck's for sale?
That's why he doesn't care.
Yeah. Causing sparks and an engine in the back pulling it down. The back's full of tires too. Did you see that?
Yeah.
The trunk, the back of the truck is full of tires. You can hear it scraping.
He has to know.
The tire's flat on that thing too. It's still rolling. That thing, that back tire of that car is flat. I mean, you would notice it dragging. It bouncing up and down like that. That is hilarious. Just trying to see if something's gonna happen, like it falls off.
See if he does any huge sparks again.
See if it falls off.
Well, it ain't gonna fall off.
Or the bumper falls off from the scraping.
That could happen, I guess.
But I mean, it's just a hitch. It's not the actual bumper.
You can't drive it either. It keeps hitting the curve.
That was a bigger one. Or the back opens up and the engine falls out.
Yeah.
Let's not have any of that happen.
Since we're behind it.
I'm only driving 20 miles an hour, so I think I could probably stop in time. But,
Yeah. That's funny. Good grief. Yeah, look, the tire's flat. The back's full of tires.